To auto put unused apps to sleep to limit background usage of battery in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care and then tap battery. Next, tap background usage limits and then tap the gray on option next to put unused apps to sleep to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will automatically put apps that you haven't used in a while to sleep. By doing this, it will prevent those apps from running in the background to help you save more battery life without you have to uninstall them. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.